Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Black Shark 2, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key, and when you see the boot option, hold restart. This will give you a new window, so reboot to safe mode, confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to reboot. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, safe mode is visible on here in the bottom left corner, so now that's basically it. And in this mode, only the essential apps work. Anything that you have downloaded will be disabled, so you can figure out if, for instance, you have some problems with your device, if it's caused by apps or by the phone malfunctioning. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key once more, and this time instead of holding the reset option, just tap on it. And once the device is again back on, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, now the device is back in normal mode and the safe mode is gone from the bottom of the screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.